Just clearing the energy right now. Ancestors, angel guides, please help me clear the space and let me connect to my highest self for my tremendous messages from our collective. I hope you are all well. Let me just close the window real quick. As always, please just take what resonates, leave the rest. Tarot is in this form that we practice it right now. It's more of I can do the half of the work, but you have to do the rest of it, right? You have to use your intuition. Maybe the roles are switched, or there's a small detail that is not directly like yours. You just have to, think for yourself a little bit. All right, let's bless the cards. Thank you, Spirit, for blessing these cards. Thank you. And let's see what's in your energy right now. If you'd like a personal reading, just look in the description, email me. Okay, let's see. Okay, first one. Okay. Four of Pentacles. Ten of Swords. In the upright, and Ace of Pentacles, right? Let's take this like this. So it's about something someone is holding back. And the focus is a Ten of Swords. And the Ten of Swords, which has like a Page of Cups. Okay, so someone is holding back opportunity. I think it's someone is holding back either opportunity or because someone is holding back opportunity. There is a Ten of Swords going on. I don't know. And I split the deck and it's the Five of Swords. Okay. Let's see. So in the past we have a what's the Page of Pentacles? What's the Page of Cups? Spirit? Intelligence. Spirit. What's the Page of... Oh, that's too much. What's the Page of Pentacles? I have Page of Cups and now King of Pentacles. So there is someone from your past. It's okay. So the Page of Cups is not the same as the King of Pentacles right here. It's like you see the Page of Cups. He's holding a fishy. Oh, yeah, he's holding a fishy cup, and this is the King of Pentacles. He doesn't need that cup. It's a fishy cup, right? So there is someone from your past right? That wanted to give you something, but can't because the cycle is over, because they lied, or because the truth was exposed, or yeah. Now they are not in a happy ever after. Okay. What's the page of what's the Ace of Pentacles? The Ace of Pentacles. What's the Ace of Pentacles? Okay, this is yeah, okay. So there was a fight, and maybe you've been, or still you are, but I get it, you've been in the Nine of Swords maybe for a little while, and it was like a blessing in disguise, because you learned how to protect yourself, you learned how to differentiate even narcissistic people, how you let some sun come out, how you be your inner child, how you and it's connected to your fortune. And there was a connection that isn't a connection anymore. Maybe someone split apart, and now they are in the Nine of Swords because you moved on and they can't give you this fishy offer right now. So what's the okay, someone's holding back. So as we can see here, someone's holding back that they are in a Ten of Swords, right? And what you don't know is that there's fighting going on. And let's see what's on the let's see what's on the chance. What's the chance? What's on the crown? What's on the crown? What's the chance? What's on the opposite side? Yeah, it's you. Nine of Cups person. And the person from your past with a group or organization that is not very, I'd say, positive or do great things. I get like behind the doors shit, and yeah, and maybe you said something, but they can't defend themselves right now. They can't defend themselves, and you're sleeping well, eating good. They are rejected. You're not in a in a misery. They can't come towards you because you are in a loving relationship, right? Yeah, that's the Empress. Oh, I love it. Okay, so let's see what's in the future. What's in the near future? Six of Cups. Okay, so there's someone planning. There's someone planning, looking at his plan, maybe. Okay, but what's this Page of Wands? Okay, so there's someone planning to maybe defend themselves. Yeah. So there's someone planning to do something heroic. But it's like someone's happy to, or is looking forward to give you something, or to yeah, okay. So I have two scenarios. Either there's someone that's planning to come towards you to give you something, like be your rescuer. I don't know. We don't need rescue, but yeah. Okay. So I hope someone out there is listening and getting some good nudges. I don't know if you can see right now. I will change it like this. Okay, so let's give me the last 4 cards, Spirit. Let's make this message a quick message for my collective. Let's see. Give me 4 cards, the last 4 cards, please, so I can close this message out. Okay. So your inner power, your inner stance is the 9 of Pentacles, which is kind of like a self-sufficient, independent, kind of independent. Yeah. You see on this picture, she's so chill, and she has a big garden, nice outfit, she has money, she has a bird. She's like very also connected to nature, very, very, very nice. And on the bottom of the deck, there's that. So someone here sees, or the people from the outside see a group that is not doing positive things. Just say it like this: it's very low vibrational people, and it's like people seeing through their bullshit, right? 7 of Cups, it's about illusions and choices, and there's a group light on you, and then now afraid that everyone can see through the lies. I don't know if you said something, or if the devil here just came around and it collected, right? It's karma. Karma is cause and effect. It's just what you give out, you will get in. And if you had your Wheel of Fortune in the upright, but did things that weren't good, it turns into the upside down, right? Yeah. Now they are refusing to see your strength. They're refusing to see your strength and your and your stability. Yeah. And there's something from God or new love. I don't know. So what's the outcome? So outcome is you're moving to calmer waters, and even though there is a King of Wands reversed, maybe doing something underhandedly, it's like if this card is about work, right? You see you see him working at, yeah. If it was like this, I would say okay. So, but there's someone still moving towards you to destroy your work. But it was like this, and I don't know why, but it's like he's right going past it. He doesn't touch you. But just so you know, there's maybe an energy come around to fuck you up in the future, but you're saved, you're loved, and you're guided. And just be mindful of your own energy, of your own thoughts, own emotions, own karma, your own actions, and stay positive. If you'd like a reading, a personal reading, just look into the description. There's an email, and I hope it resonated. I hope you had something to learn, or something got cleared for you. Yeah, be positive, stay strong. I love you. Bye.